Tokyo pulses with an energy unlike any other city on Earth, a sprawling metropolis where tradition and innovation collide in a breathtaking spectacle. From the neon-drenched streets of Shinjuku to the serene gardens of the Imperial Palace, it offers an endless tapestry of experiences. Ancient temples stand gracefully beside futuristic skyscrapers, a testament to Tokyo's ability to honor its past while constantly hurtling into the future. You can find moments of quiet contemplation just steps away from the bustling heart of commerce and entertainment. The culinary landscape here is a universe unto itself. Whether you're seeking Michelin-starred sushi, steaming bowls of ramen from a hidden alleyway stall, or vibrant street food, Tokyo caters to every palate with unparalleled dedication to flavor and presentation. Navigating this vast city is surprisingly effortless, thanks to its world-renowned public transportation system. The trains run with astonishing precision, connecting every corner of Tokyo, making exploration both convenient and an experience in itself. Shopping opportunities abound, from the high-fashion boutiques of Ginza to the eclectic, youth-driven styles of Harajuku. Electronics districts like Akihabara offer the latest gadgets, while traditional markets present artisanal crafts and unique souvenirs. Tokyo is also the epicenter of global pop culture, a place where anime, manga, and J-pop come to life. The vibrant street fashion of Shibuya and Harajuku showcases a fearless embrace of individuality and artistic expression. Amidst the urban sprawl, pockets of tranquility offer respite. Beautifully manicured gardens, expansive parks, and the historic grounds of the Imperial Palace provide peaceful escapes, inviting visitors to slow down and appreciate nature's beauty as dusk falls. Tokyo transforms into a dazzling playground. The city's nightlife is legendary, offering everything from cozy izakayas and lively karaoke bars to themed cafes and sophisticated rooftop lounges, each promising a unique evening. Beyond its attractions, Tokyo is celebrated for its exceptional cleanliness and safety. Visitors can explore with peace of mind, experiencing the city's meticulous attention to detail in every aspect of public life. Ultimately, Tokyo is more than just a destination. It's an immersive journey into a culture that values efficiency, beauty, and innovation. It's a city that continuously reinvents itself, promising new discoveries with every visit.